Short exercise 7-4, sales journal. Use the following sales journal to record the transaction. All credit sales are terms of net 30. That's what that N30 stands for there. And we can view our transactions here. And it tells us if an input field is not used in the journal, leave the field empty, do not select information, or enter a 0. I like to use this table to block off all the other rows as we work down the transactions. The only thing that goes in the sales journal are sales on account, and if you look at these transactions, all of them are on account. So all of these do belong in the sales journal. So for our first transaction, we have June 1st. We'll select that. And then invoice number is given to us here. So sold merchandise inventory on account to Brooke Janica for $12.10, cost of goods $9.20, invoice number 101. So the invoice number is at the end. And who did we sell it to? Brooke Janica. And then we have our AR and sales revenue here for a journal entry in the same column. So that works out great here. So that amount is going to be $12.10 for our sale on account. And then we have to account for cost of goods, which is $920. So that'll go here at the end. Next up, we have June 8th. So we can slide this down here. So the date is going to be June 8th. We sold merchandise inventory on account to Brady Ferris, and that invoice number here is at the end, 102. And Brady is our customer. And then we have accounts receivable and sales revenue of $2,100. And our cost of goods sold is $1,660. And then we can keep moving down. So June 13th. Is our next transaction. Sold merchandise inventory on account to Israel Torres for $400, cost of goods sold $230, invoice 103. And then the customer was Israel Torres. And the sales amount was $400, cost of goods sold $230. And then we can scroll down a tiny bit here for our last journal entry on June 28th. So June 28th, invoice number is 104, and then to Mark Whitley for $870 is the sale, and our cost of goods sold is $630. So as the problem said above, we do not select any information below because there was no more transactions. Let's go ahead and check our answer. Good job. So in the next video, we'll take the same sales journal and we will post it.